Hello everybody, we are here at NAB2026. I am here with Markertek with our LT4670 Sync Generator. One of the features is the ability to always keep all of our baseband signals, the black, tri-level, and PTP, always on the same generator. So if your PTP switches, we will move the black with it. If your black switches, we will move the PTP with it. The other thing that we have, of course, both our rear fan and our front fan are both hot-swappable. And I've been told by many people lately that the fans are dying before the power supplies are these days. And if you've ever tried to change a fan on your sync generator, it's not fun because you got to yank the sucker out, open the case typically, and get in to the middle of it. A lot of white tape marking all the cables so you can put them all back. Ours is hot swappable. You don't have to go into anything. Undo 2 screws, pop it out, pop in a brand new fan. The other beautiful thing about it is we run everything off of one XOC oven-controlled crystal. So even if you lose GPS, none of the signals can ever drift from each other. They're always perfectly in time. We also have just a very nice, very well laid out web GUI to be able to configure our LT4670. It's a beautiful, easy to use, very intuitive web GUI.